So that's my room here at the Berjaya Makati on Makati Avenue. Nice, this is nice. They took the care of providing an extra card that just stays there, so you don't have to like take off your key card every time you go out or you go in, you know. So this one just stays there. It was here when I arrived, so it keeps the aircon going, it keeps the lights going. So that's definitely an improvement from before. Here there's a kettle, there's some water, some tea, I guess. Maybe some coffee, some instant coffee. TV is here. Got a little desk if you want to work. I'm gonna put my laptop on it. There's the bed. Things look pretty clean. And here's the view. Nice view from the windows. I'm on the 14th floor. And there is a gym here. So this is why I chose the Berjaya, because I want to train at the gym. And there is also a swimming pool, which is located on one of the stories here. From the swimming pool, you can see outside. It's kind of in the exterior, we can say. And adjacent to the swimming pool, there's the gym. And it's a nice gym. And I will do a little review on the gym later on a separate video. So here's the bathroom. Hair dryer, commodities, soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner. It's been clean. It's very clean. The Berjaya, I would call it's a mid-range hotel. It's not a luxury hotel, but it's not a dump. You know, it's well maintained. The staff is very nice. I think they are Malaysian. It's a Malaysian hotel. The Wi-Fi does work. So far, anyway. I turned on the Wi-Fi and it works well in my room on the 14th floor. Here there's a storage space. It's very clean. Here, I think, yeah, there's a little fridge here. And it works. Yeah, it works. Little fridge. So it's a nice mid-range hotel. I like it. I've stayed here several times before. It's located right next to the City Gardens Inn, Makati, next to Kailan Avenue. It's a short walk to Burgos Street, which is just like about a 5 minutes walk. There is the Century City Mall, which is not far from here, at the bottom of the Trump Tower. It's very close to Century City Mall. here from the view is on Kailahan Avenue, right? Century City Mall is that way. So there's Burgos Street, like 5 minutes walk from Burgos Street, Makati Avenue right in front of the hotel. So this is the Berjaya. I would recommend it. And in another video, I will give you a little review of what the gym looks like. So I'm Rob from I Take Pickers, and I will see you in the next video.